Hello YouTube, this is Chesko from STEM APKs. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be doing some video captures using C++ and using Python. And we're going to be using, if you go to this website, the OpenCV.org, I'll be using Gary Bradsky's first edition book, the one that he published I believe in 2008. He just came out with a new one. It's a good book. If you don't have it, go and get it. Yeah, the print version is coming out in June 2014. This in about 3-4 months. But you can get the early release version from O'Reilly right now. It came out in October, so it's a good book. It's just as good as his first one. I'll be using his first one, but you this is his first one here. I'll be using we're gonna be doing chapter 2 of his book. If you have the book, you can follow along. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm gonna SSH into our Raspberry Pi, and as you can see, I already have another one open. And let's clear these. And I'm going to create a directory called tutorial, let's call it Tutorial-8. Okay, and as you can see, created it right here. Okay, and I have a folder called let me clear this, called Gary Bradsky. So cd into Bradsky, and as you can see, I'm using his display video code that he has. I will show you. And I need this one, and I need the Python code. Okay, so let's copy it. Copy, cmake, list, and then display video C++ and the video image Pi. Okay, and I'm going to put it into the folder that we just created. cd into it. Clear. And as you can see, these are the ones that we just copied. Okay, the first thing we need to do is change the CMake file, and change the project name, change the executable, and change the libraries. So let's call these display video. And I'm gonna change the file name and executable. So display video, and call display video C++. And using these OpenCV libraries. Play video. Okay, I think that's it. Control X, save it, exit, yes. Okay, and now let me show you the code. Display video C++. This is the code from his book. You can download it from the O'Reilly website, and if you have the book, you can follow along. And I changed it. Let me show you his. His is he's doing it from a file, from a disk. I'm not doing it. I'm using my cam, so I changed this right here. I changed this function. Instead of saying CV create file capture, I did CV capture from cam. Okay, so that's the only couple things that I did different. Let me explain the code right here. You're including the high GUI, the CV, and these standard I/O files. This is a new one. This IPL image. If you're not familiar with it, you can go here. Actually, it's an old one. It's used mostly in C code, using the C API. Most of the code that you're gonna see now is using the new one, the MAT, which is object oriented, and it has all kinds of good stuff. It does garbage collection, it allocates the memory, it releases automatic, it does a lot of great stuff. So, but you will still see a lot of these in older code and C API based code. So I wanted to show you, so just in case you encounter this structure in older code, or something that you download from the internet, or maybe an old book that you get your hands on. So that's why I'm doing this set of tutorials. I will be doing the next 4 or 5 tutorials based on his chapter 2 of Gregory Bradsky's book. Okay, so let's continue. That looks good. Exit, and I think that's all I need. So now let's CMake, and he's looking for the compilers, and then make. It's gonna make, and I won't be using, I'm using a regular, let me show you, a regular cheap Logitech webcam. It does the job. I have a Raspberry Cam, which is still in the box. I bought it about 5-6 months ago. I haven't installed it yet, so I'm just using this one right here, the Logitech C310. I think it's finished downloading. So let's see what it made. It created this one. It created the CMake files directory and the executable. Okay. And all the other stuff that you've seen before. Okay, so now let's run it. I don't have the camera in this computer. I have it attached to my TV, so you're not gonna see my face. You're gonna see my messy room right next to me, and it should run. And as you can see, it opens, and there it is. And that's what it does. Okay, now let's do it using C++, Python. I'm sorry. Let's use Python now. Yes, let's close it and clear this. And now let's show you the Python code. Nano video image pi. And I don't need this. I don't need NumPy. And what I'm using is importing the computer vision library. Is computer vision 2 video capture. Okay, it's entering into a cap, and as you can see, I'm reading whatever is in the cap here. And just for consistency, let's call these example 2. It doesn't matter what you call it, but just for consistency, let's call it the same. And it's going to wait 5 milliseconds here, and if he sees the key 27 being pressed, it's going to break. Nothing new, something that we've done before. And destroy all windows. So now let's run it, save it, yes, and then Python video image pi, and it should do the same thing that it did the first time. And as you can see, it does. Okay, basically the same thing. You have it with C++, and now you also have it with Python. Same result. And like I always say, this is the end of the tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please click the like box and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time as we continue with more video and image manipulations. Thanks for watching.